Shastra Part 1 Shiva talks about Ranbir Kapoor, who had magical powers, who had a great connection with fire, and he had the powers which normal people don't have. And Amitabh Bachchan has actually told him that he should exercise this in a positive manner. And there was his girlfriend, Alia Bhatt, who actually took it as a challenge, and both of them tried experimenting, but there were negative forces as well. Like there was also Ramya was there, and a few other evil characters who wanted to put him down. And he introduced her to his kind of family, close-knit family. You can say not blood related, but he was very much close knit to them, some of the kids. And he said that you are from a very high class, so I don't know whether you'll be able to adjust. But she adapted herself so well, and she actually became part of them. And then the power which he had actually put him into the different planet, because when he got that power, he could feel different. So this was all about victory of good forces over evil, and he was instrumental in getting it done. And a few other people were there who were actually supporting him. So this movie basically revolves around that era when we had all those goddess and goddesses and all those powers what one used to exercise. So bottom line, whatever mythological characters we have come across in the past, you may believe it or you may not. There may be books you can read and you can actually believe, or you may just beg to differ. But there is some force which governs, otherwise this world will crumble, even if you are an atheist. Or but how is this world getting governed without any power? So, and the best power which everyone has is inside, that is called subconscious, which guides you to the right direction. Even an evil person knows that he or she is doing wrong, but still they do it. But the subconscious always tells those people that, yeah, you are right, you are wrong. 3.5 stars.